What is up, guys? It's like too weird. I haven't made a video in like forever, to be honest. But I haven't, like, a lot of people were asking me questions like, oh, were you taking a break, all this, and like, I don't know. I wasn't taking a break. My MacBook, I have like a 12-inch Retina, like 2016 or whatever. And what is this guy doing? What is this guy doing? It was like he started walking over here. It's kind of weird. Dollar bills. I don't know, they have these problems to where the logic board or whatever will like break. That happened to my computer, so I just had to like save up and get a new MacBook. So I got a new MacBook. Videos will be coming out. I'm gonna try to get more videos coming out for you guys, but I'm back. I just want to say that I'm back. Today we have a little stuff in store. We're at Five Below right now. We're gonna go get some rubber chickens, do some crazy things. But before we get all this stuff popping, leave a like right now, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh, gotta find rubber chickens.
Person, you stop throwing everything at
the We should get a whole bunch of the mini ones. Just put them on the wheels. These ones don't work that good. Hey yo. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. It's a big one. All right, bro, I think I got it. Ooh. Do you like candies? Want some candy? My Johnson, my Harry Johnson. If you guys want to see me whipping my Harry Johnson, this has to get 300 likes right now. New prank. I got arrested for whipping out my Johnson. Low key, we find like a like a wiener that's like named Johnson, and you just like walk out. Like I'll have a thing, like a robe on, and just flashing my Johnson, flashing my Johnson in public.
Oh, where did I?
Five Below didn't have the rubber cocks. We're about to go to Walmart and see if they have rubber chickens, because if not, I don't know, we might just do whoopee cushions or something, I don't know. But we gotta go get these rubber chickens and we're gonna go to Walmart.
Fuck yeah, bet.
Big 10-4, we don't need trucks, we don't give no f. Here we go. Post Malone music video. Whatever, son. Oh God, I hit this manhole. Man, I started balling. I was yeah. Hey, gang shit. Oh. Yeah.
It's not open.
Yeah.
Well, it is now.
Open for business. Oh, hi, how are you today? All right, dude. If they don't have rubber chickens, we're doing whoopee cushions. I don't care. What's up, man? High five. Psych.
Don't think about it too much.
He said, ouch. I got you, man.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're good. I like it, the pillow. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just always have to touch everything. Like, look at this, look at these. You see these? Where's the toy aisle? I think it's this way, I think past it. I just want this specific ball. Oh God. Oh shoot. I don't think that really worked out too good. Yeah.
They're playing basketball. We love that basket.
Went in there and the balls and where would like a rubber chicken be at? Hey man, you got rubber chickens?
Rubber chickens, if we have any left. What's so funny? It's a rubber chicken. We should.
Be hating.
They would be right here. Right over in the clearance aisle.
Clearance? Where's that?
Yeah.
Ooh, if we can get them for clearance, that'd be like the best thing ever.
Yeah, I think they're just trying to get rid of it.
Yes, dude. If the rubber chickens are in here, I'm gonna love you forever.
Hey Lisa, got any rubber chickens? No? Diamond had one in there.
Once you're in the back, probably need a label for
There's no rubber chickens?
rubber chickens.
What am I supposed to eat for dinner tonight?
I don't know.
Here, let me go check in the back for you.
All right, give me like 5 of them if you got them. 5 rubber chickens. Dude, we should cop one of these and like put like a Harbor Freight motor in or something, drift that bitch. Brand new whip, got no keys, push to start. That's dope though, he's going in the back. And if he has rubber chickens. Watch him come out with like a giant like cart filled with them.
Full of rubber.
It's a little bunny rabbit. Oh my God, I like bunnies. Like, pinatas are weird if you think about it. Where did it go? He like disappeared. Do you know what rubber chickens are? You know what the rubber chickens? They're the rubber chickens. Rock it, bro. Rock out with your. You know what the rubber chickens are? The rubber chickens?
Rubber chickens.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool. You're a horrible person. I'm a horrible person. You only got one? There's only one chicken. Mission complete, I guess. How's there only one rubber chicken here? I'm gonna pick that up because I'm a nice person.
Taking my dick in my pet.
Hello. I've always wanted to know like how to page like the whole store, so and we figured it out. Well, hopefully figured it out. So we're gonna try and find a phone and page people. It's my dad. Huh? It's my dad.
Dad, he works here?
Yeah. He literally was just like, yeah. He's like, yeah. Oh, he works here? Yeah. All right, cool, man. What? I mean, why didn't you say that? Like, obviously, if it was your dad, like, I don't care. I just don't want you being a hooligan. Attention, one more shoppers. We got the sale on rubber chickens. It said you have to like, I don't know. I give up. Oh. Here you go, bro. No problem, man.
Have a good day, buddy.
They really want the smoke though, bro. Yo. Show it out the window. Yeah, we got them big bread. Big bread, shorty. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Stop.
Hey yo.
Get out of here.
You're gonna be mad at
Yo, that's funny as shit.
We're fake money.
Right, they almost died. Oh, that's $100. That's $100. Like, yes, you played yourself. Let's see if we just shove it in the exhaust and see if it does anything. Here, I'm gonna try to. It's only got 3%, but we're gonna start it up, see if it does anything. We gotta find a big one.
Try it again. Do it again.
I don't think it's working. Well guys, we found one rubber chicken, I guess. I feel like I'm gonna order like a big giant one so we can shove it in the exhaust. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I'm gonna be back in the swing of things here soon. Videos will be getting better, obviously. Comment, rate, subscribe. Sorry, I'm trying to get this chicken back on. Comment, rate, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Can I touch that booty? That booty? That big old booty? Shake that booty. Can I lay on them booty? God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always reppin'. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I been the coast's greatest blessing.